support truck is a 4x4 vehicle that's equipped to get into just about any terrain that our motorcycles will go on. It's there to provide 24/7 support in case there's a problem with one of our motorcycles. We provide all of our customers with a prepaid cell phone. If you have any problems with our bike, you can call us. We have a network of trusted mechanics around the country that can come to provide support near you. If we can't do that, we will get another motorcycle out to you. So there's some great advantages to having a support truck. It can carry our luggage, can lighten the load, it can carry some water for us. The way we ride our tours is we all ride together like a family, like a team. And it's not about racing, it's not about pushing limits, it's not about seeing how fast we can go. And if something goes wrong, if there's a flat tire or someone's having some trouble, we stay together, we resolve the issue, and then we continue on together as a team. The support truck is also used to provide another level of safety to warn other drivers on the road and perform some communications to keep the group together and riding safely.